Hello, this is MathCast 1, created on 2/26/2024. The intended audience is grade 1. The content and learning objective is to use the place value chart to record and name tens and ones within a two-digit number up to 100, and this was created by Xander Gage. We're going to start off by learning the definition to the ones place. The digits 0 through 9 that appear one place to the left of the decimal point. For example, the 9 in 249 is in the ones place. Now the tens place. The digits 0 through 9 that appear two places to the left of the decimal point. In the example 378, the digit 7 is in the tens place. Digit. In a base 10 number system, a number from 0 to 9 that is assigned to a place value. The number 7 is considered a digit, the number 8 is a digit, and the number 9 is considered a digit. Again, the numbers from 0 to 9 are all considered digits. Place value is the value of each digit within a number. A number is made up of digits. We need to be able to say the location of each digit within the number, as this can help us understand how large or how small the number is. In this example I have for you below, the digit number 7 is in the ones place, and the digit number 8 is in the tens place. This is your decimal point. The ones place is one spot to the left of it, and the tens place is two spots to the left of it. To start, I'd like to look at our place value chart. So we're going to have just our ones and our tens today. That's our real main focus for today. So let's look at these three numbers that we have down here. Let's start with the number 27. So in 27, we have 7 ones and 2 tens. Okay? So if we break it down in these tens, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that makes one bundle of 10. And we have 2 of those bundles of 10 to make that. So then we have 7 individual ones, which can't quite make a bundle of 10. So now, if we look at the next number, 40, we're going to move the 4 up here to the 10 spot and the 0 ones. So in this number 40, that means that we have 4 of these bundles of 10. We have 4 bundles of 10. So I'm going to draw those out for you. So now we can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bundles of 10. Let's look at our next number down here. The number 60. Oh, so we have 6 tens and 0 ones. This number is similar to 40. However, instead of having just 4 bundles of 10, you'll have 6. So in our first example here, we're going to look at now applying what we have learned from our vocab. We're going to focus on just the ones place for now, though. So we're going to count up all of these individual little squares. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these individual cubes. So we're going to write the number 7 in our ones place. Now let's look at our tens place. So if we count up, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of these individual cubes in one of these long sticks. So now let's count up all of our long sticks to see how many we have in our tens place. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we're going to write the number 9 in our, We're going to write the number 9 in our tens place and the number 7 in our ones place. So in total, there are 97 cubes. Now in this second problem, we're going to focus on it the same way. It says write the tens and ones, complete the statement. We're going to look at just our ones for right now. So in the last problem, we looked at just individual cubes. We're going to do the same thing, but with markers. So we're going to count up each individual marker to see how many we got to put in our ones place. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we're going to write the number 9 in our ones place. Now we're going to look at our tens place here. If we remember, 10 of these markers makes one of these bundles. So in each of these bundles, we're going to count them up, and then we're going to write the number in our tens place. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of these bundles. So we have 8 tens, and if we remember, we have 9 ones. So in total, there are 89 markers. Now for our third example, we're going to approach it the same way. We have just 2 pencils. We have 1, 2 pencils in our ones place. If we remember, in one of these bundles, we have 10 of these individual pencils. So let's add up our bundles to see how many we got to put in the tens place here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these bundles. So we have 5 in our tens place and 2 in our ones place. If we look, it also broke it down for us. So 52 total, but 5 tens and 2 ones. Thank you for watching. I did not have any additional MathCast resources. And again, this was created by Xander Gage. Have a nice night.